Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing well. This is Rohini Kavalgi here. I am the founder and educator of FLAC. FLAC stands for Fantastica Learning and Activity Center. FLAC came into existence in the year 2013 with the vision to teach, love and inspire. We are into phonics, grammar, storytelling, spoken English programs, handwriting programs, and so on. I'm here today to launch the YouTube channel for FLAC by and for children. Why a YouTube channel? If you want to hear the story, how it all began, then here it goes. Once upon a time, not many moons ago, less than a year ago, while on a holiday, I was reading this book called Ikigai. Now, Ikigai is a Japanese term meaning the secret to a long and happy life wherein you have a purpose in life. Honestly, I wasn't able to grasp everything that was written in the book. However, a thought just crossed my mind that, why not start an initiative that gives a learning and sharing platform open to all the children. Something that is that could be a holistic and a positive approach towards the child development. There is so much of creativity and talent in each child. So I just wanted to give them an opportunity to learn and share from one another on this platform. And that's how the idea germinated regarding launching this YouTube channel as an open learning and sharing platform for all the children out there. I'm very passionate about both learning and teaching, and I love children. I firmly believe that every child is truly special. And that's why this YouTube channel launched today. Yes, it did take a little while, but now the wait is finally over. And so this is a shout out to all the children out there that now we have a platform wherein you can explore your creativity and participate in these activities and also have fun at the same time. Because as we all know that if there is no fun while learning, then I believe that it's of no use. So a shout out to all the children out there. If you want, you can definitely participate. It doesn't matter in which part of the world you live in, or if you're not very fluent in English, it doesn't matter at all. What matters for me, or what I ask for, is an honest and a voluntary participation for the activities conducted via this YouTube channel. So friends, if you want to explore your creativity and you are genuine and voluntarily participating in the activities via this YouTube channel, then please do let me know. I will be leaving in the details on how to participate towards the end of this video. And I'm sure each one of us is very talented. So this is the platform where we can learn, share and appreciate one another. And do remember that talent can never be useless. So now, coming to the most exciting part of this video, it's time to reveal the channel name. So whilst I was just thinking that, what should be the channel name, I thought that why not keep something for what purpose this channel is going to be launched, isn't it? So I just thought that, we are going to explore ourselves by having fun, isn't it? So without any further ado, here is our channel name. It's going to be called FunPlore with FLAC. Let's have fun while exploring. I hope you like it. friends, do tune in to our channel for the upcoming videos. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for further updates from our channel. So this is Rohini here, signing off for now with the vision to teach, love and inspire. Do take good care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy and don't forget to smile more often. Till then, love and light to all. Bye-bye.